Hey guys, welcome back to part 3 on how to make a soccer game. Now, last episode what we did, we made a blue character, and you can see we both can control it, and you can see the bounce the ball. Now last part, something awkward happened, but then you saw that I fixed it, okay? So if I had two players, as I said, I will control this much more easier, obviously. Today, this will be the last part, so hope you guys enjoyed. Now this part, we're going to do a whole bunch of stuff to end this series off. Okay, or maybe we'll do part 4, I don't know. We may have 2 parts, or this may be the last part, I don't know. But let's start by making a backdrop. Now, what you can do is, I've made a backdrop, it is in the link in the description below. You click it and you can actually, when it comes up, and you can save it to your files in your laptop. And then what you can do, you can go to here, you can go here and click upload backdrop, and then your file should come up like this. I've saved in my downloads just here, and when you click this one there, so this is what it should look like, a feel like that. So you can see also that the red starts with the red and the blue starts with the blue. You can see the ball stands out very good, to be honest, and really nice ball. Now before we get into anything, today what we're going to do is we're going to quickly make characters here look a bit nice. So let's start by making the outline of the reds a bit bigger, I can say. About there will be nice. Also the ball needs to be a bit much more bigger, because like you see there, it's a bit flat. Okay, that's just strange. Okay. We'll just go with that for now, and let's make this one to 6. Nicely done. And so put that to 79. Okay, that's too big. What if it's yep, we're not going to talk about that. 50 is a nice little number. Okay, well, it was always 50, great. 54. Yeah, we'll stick with 54. Yeah, and this ball should always be bigger. So now we've just changed that. You can see it's a bit more nicer. It's a bit more. See how it's a bit more cleaner now. How we've done a bit of stuff. It's nicely done. Okay. So now our background. Now we have a background and etc. It looks really good. Now let's start. So let's start by making the code. Do some code now. Okay, so what we're gonna do is in the ball, you want to do when flag clicked. So because I've already got a bit more code, I can just move my camera to this bit of code. I'm gonna put it over here. Sorry. No. So we want to do a separate bit of code, because in the ball we have this piece of code, and we're gonna make another separate piece of code. I'm just gonna put it next to it. At the end of this tutorial, the last video, we're gonna right click our screen and we're gonna do something really cool. And it's gonna be really nice. It's not gonna really do anything to the game. It's only gonna do something to the code, but I'm not gonna spoil it. Okay, so under the when flag clicked thing, I'm gonna do a forever loop, and you're gonna do an if then. After the if then, what you wanna do is you wanna get the touch and color. Now, the touch and color, because let's just do the blue team. So what we're going to do is we're going to make it winning. So every time when the blue team gets a blue score, when it goes in here, we need to make sure it gets a score. So we want to click this, and you can see you can click something here. When you click it, you can see the screen. And when you put your mouse over it, it's like this. You want to make sure it goes like this until it's like that. See that how the little square thing is on the blue? You want to make sure it's on the blue. Because you can see the red and the blue, it will be exactly the same. The only difference is the touching color. Touching color is very good for this because nothing else is exactly like it. And you also want to make sure your character here is brighter. If it's exactly the same, that means there's going to be a bit of a not good. Something's not going to happen. Good is going to happen at the end. So yeah, it's going to get a bit confused. Let's make a new variable. Good. So the new variable here is going to be called red score. And in fact, we are going to have two pieces of code. So that's going to be red score. The second one is going to be blue score. So red score just there. And blue score. Oops. Now we've put in quite a bit of variables in this tutorial, and it's really good. What we're gonna do is we are gonna get rid of every variable right now by checking it. Now what you want to do is when you get the red score open and also the blue score open. Let's put the red score, we can move it just there. So there we go. And why is my laptop being so slow? I don't know. So blue score goes there. I just want to make sure this goes in line. The red score goes there. Good. So that's really good. What we've done so far. Now what we're going to do is we're now going to put in the piece of code here and get a change. And I want to make sure this is going to be blue score. Yeah, blue score. The color's blue there. Blue score. There we go. Blue score. And also here you want to get two sets, and you want to make sure this one's blue score and the second one can be red score. Now what we do is okay. I've done a bit of an oopsies, but that is fine because we'll change that right now. So let's do this. So you can see I've done a bit of an oopsies because I just remembered to soccer. Soccer is soccer is like when the blue does the other team's goal. Remember that? I've done a bit of an oopsies. You don't do in your own goal. You do in the here. The blue will need to do the red. The red will need to do on the blue. If that's not right, then I'm sorry. Okay, but that's going to be blue, and this one's going to be red score. So, actually no, the blue needs to be red score. The blue needs to be red score, because the red's going to score on the blue. And this one can be blue score, so that red score and blue score. Let's click that, let's click that, and let's click the red. Good. Final thing, I need to go back here, and I need to just make sure that the red is not exactly the same. Oh, that's just exactly the same, but I just did that. Let me just put that down. And put this down a bit more. Okay, okay, that's not exactly the same. That would be fine. If it is, oh no, but I don't think it is. Okay, so let's go back to the ball. So what we have is this piece of code right now, the blue and the red, which is very good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to control, and actually not control, events. If I'm right, yes it is. Yes I am. And you want to do broadcast. Put that there. Broadcast, remember, is sending messages. Remember, I will make a tutorial on broadcasting, and maybe I will also make a game, and also will be about broadcasting. Okay. Now the broadcast name is going to be called reset, and what you want to do is you want to get another broadcast. You want to put that there. New message. Now this new message name, actually no, because we wanted to do the exact same thing, because we want this to reset. Let's just do broadcast to reset for both of them. Because so what's going to happen here is every time when someone gets a goal, this will happen. It will reset like this. Okay, but the only difference is one of these teams, whoever scored, will have 1. So say for example the blue versus the red, the blue score will get 1, and it will be exactly how it looks right now, and it'll play again and again and again until you don't want to play. Simple stuff. What you want to do is we're going to go to the red person, and what we're going to do is we're going to receive the message here, and also we are going to receive the message in the blue, so don't worry. We're going to do when I receive, and you want to do when I receive reset. Now to be honest, 2 sprites can actually receive the same message, but they can also do under the code it may be something different. In this case, it's going to be exactly the same thing. Just follow my steps. What you want to do is, all you want to do is you can see how we did when I receive red point. It's going to be similar to this, okay? It's very similar. Let's go back to variables and let's get in this set. And let's put that in. And the set is going to be red score, because this is the red spot. And we're going to this variable right now where my mouse is. Let's do that. Now what we can do is well, wait, no, let's just get 3 sets, to be honest, guys, because I think because I got an idea. Okay, let's do that. Okay, let's just get 2. So this one can be, this one's going to be red speed. Make sure it's the speed. red speed. Wait, where's the red speed? Oh my gosh, I've lost my mind. Red. Why can't I see it? To be exact. Okay, red speed Y, and red speed X. I'm a bit lost. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's now is let's drag this into sprite 3. Let's let go to sprite 3. Here, so when I receive reset. This one right here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get rid of that, and we may just duplicate the one which is under blue. Okay. Now we've done that, is what we're gonna do is we're gonna duplicate something right here. We're gonna duplicate this, go to X, Y, 7, Y, 0 thing. Just something like that. So now what we can do is we go to the red and we do exactly the same thing. Right click, press duplicate. There we go. So now we have done that, what we have to do is we go to from the ball, so like go to the ball and let me just okay, so let's go to events and let's do when I receive reset. Okay, when I receive reset, you want to go to the variables and you want to do set blue score. Actually, no, we want to just get the set variable in, and you actually want it to be ball speed. Okay, let's put that there. The second one can be ball direction. Now we've done that, what we have to do is we just duplicate this again, okay? And what we then do is the third variable. Actually, no, let's not do the thing. Okay, so what we can do is that I'm going to change the variable to something cool, to be honest. So the red score, I'm going to click it twice. No, yeah, twice. Even for the blue score. And it turns into this. And what you can do, you can move it into the goal. See? This will look really cool. Cool. And see. Here. It's really cool. It's really open. Cool. So now what we can do is you can see is I'm going to let me just quickly test out the game. So you can see, let's just test. Okay, so this is not the same color. Because this is not the same color. Cool. So now let me just quickly test the blue. So the blue is, well, This is hard. Okay. What is happening here? Okay, let's just quickly change that. Oh, okay. So, wait. What? Wait. Okay, firstly, we need a couple of things. We need to make sure the blue, when he scores into his own goal, we need to make sure when the blue goes into his own goal, we need to make sure it doesn't count as a goal. Secondly, we need to make sure the numbers don't keep going up. Okay, we're gonna do this right now because that's why we tested it. But the main thing is fine. Okay, but every time when I touch the ball, it's like me getting reset. Okay, that's just awkward. Yeah, and we also need to change that. Actually, let me just quickly. Yep. Wait. Also, wait. Let me just put that there. Put that there. Does it reset the whole game? No, it only resets. How come does it only reset the blue? Maybe it's getting confused because maybe it's actually the same color. Because like when blue touches, it's like going there. Is there anything in the blue script? No, there isn't. Is there anything in this script? Change your score by 1. No. Okay, so the only thing what I'm seeing here is I think it's because of the color. So I think that will be fine. I think. Okay. It's something to do with the code. And I think I know what. So let's go back to the code and let's fix up all the bugs what we have. First things first is go back to the ball script and let's see. Okay. In this forever, let's just right click the forever and let's press duplicate. Oh my god. We should have this. And under the when I receive this thing here, let me just put that there. Actually, that. Make sure this one is a go to 0, 0, 0, y. No, x 0, y 0. Let me actually, to be honest, let me just put that there. So the ball should go exactly in the middle here. Okay. Next thing is that let's what? Okay. For some reason, I think there's a problem in the script. Now, I don't know what, because it's like constantly resetting us. Is there anything to do with Sprite 2? No, what? No, Sprite 3. Here. Set ball direction to X. Okay. That's fine. Okay, so I think what I'm seeing here is I'll need to just duplicate this and just delete that dude. Let's try again. What if I do my name to Sprite 4? Does that just do nothing now? Yeah. Okay. I think it should work now. What is it constantly? I think it's something to do. Oh. Here. This is exposition. Let me put that to direction. Okay, so make sure everything is the same. Because you can't play like this, to be honest, guys. This is like not right. Cause like, I think it's something to do with the reset. Let me just do that. I don't know, guys. Maybe just like my laptop or done something. Wait, what happens if it's like that? Okay, definitely something wrong with the game. I don't know if it's a bug or something. I'm gonna go back to Sprite 4. Does it have anywhere that it's saying to go backwards or something? Wait, what is this? Oh, it's fine, nothing. You know what? I think what we have to do is I think it's something to do with the laptop. Let me just really save and reload. Okay, if we can't fix anything at the moment, that is all fine. Also, here, make sure like there's has to be like a code right here. Is this alright? Because I don't think it isn't. Because I think it's something to do with the reset. Let me just try. Okay. It's definitely Scratch right now. Just trying to. Okay. So that's working the points right now. What? We're constantly resetting. Okay. I think it's something to do with this. The color. Let me go back to the backdrop. I want to select. Wait. I select this. Oh, I can't. I want to fill. Um. You know what? Let me just do that as purple. What? Let me just see what happens when this is like exactly the same color. How do we have 1 point already? I am so confused. Oh, I think because it touched just itself. So what I know is bird. I can't do this. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Um, uh, um, okay, so we may just fix that in if we have a part 4. Like, okay, wait. Wait, okay. So, let's go back to, let me just, that's fine. Let me just go back to the code here. I'm gonna right click and press clean up blocks. Okay, so the reset, it's like this. Anything is, let me put in this thing in there. Next thing, the blue point, which should be at the bottom here. Aha. So make sure this one is gone away. Now this one here, I don't know if it's gonna be something to do with this, or if we just fixed it. Who knows? This is part 2. Up arrow down arrow. Blah, blah, blah. Now, is it Y? X and Y? Blue speed, yes. Blue speed. Okay. Blue speed X. What? Okay, let me just quickly. Let me just quickly. Wait, this one has to be blue speed X to blue speed X. Right click. Blue speed X. Here will be 0.9. Blue speed Y to blue speed Y multiplying by 0.9 and multiply by 0.9 and yeah. Let me see if I did any change. I don't think it would have. It did! Yay! So I'm just confused in the code. I am very proud of me that I checked the code again. Okay, so all you have to do is just like change that, like one little thing and it's all gone. But I fixed it, good. But, oh, what if it's, okay, I just got a point, okay. Yay me. Let me just change, okay, this right here. Let me just change the color that, I think this would be a nicely if it was a bit darker. Nice. Oh, that's nice. So we fixed that, which is good. Okay. And I think that's actually quite cool, to be honest. Yeah, that's basically just it. I mean, let me do this one. I think that is it, guys. That is it. We've made a soccer game. That is epic. Now, guys, if you guys want to see a part 4, I'm gonna do a part 4. Actually, you know what? I won't do a part 4. So, but guys, that's a soccer game, but we're not done yet. It's still like, let's just see. Okay, so wait. Firstly, does this count as a goal? It should do, because like in soccer, if you do an accident goal in your other goal, that does count as a point for the other team, to be honest. And also, I need to change a bit of stuff for these. I can't even get this in my goal. Oh my gosh. Okay, you know what? Simpler stuff. Let me just put the ball there. If I can't do this, I'm a dummy. Okay, that counts as a goal. Fine. Also, for these, I wanted to see something. If we go into the logs, yeah. Is there like any like set in the looks? No, I don't know. That is fine. That's fine. Okay, so let's make our part 4 here. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna make a winning. Okay. Now the winning, how this is gonna work, is every time if a team gets 10 points, that means the game is over. Okay. So let's make this simple. So what we're gonna do is let's code the backdrop for this. So you want to do one flag click and you want to get a forever loop, and what we're going to do now is like you want to like do it like a wait. For this, like we need an operator, and in the forever loop, actually no, not forever loop, if then. Okay, wait, I just want to see. Okay, this only runs forever. No, it doesn't run forever, it only runs for little seconds. Let's put that in. So let's do equals 10. Let's code the blues first. Blue score equals 10. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to make a new backdrop. This new backdrop is going to be very simple, very easy. Put black. Let me just do this in bitmap. Whatever. Go back to vector. What's happened to my laptop? Oh my gosh, what happened? What is happening? Did this just phrase? Good. Good. And also, go back to the code here. Is is go to the looks. Actually, yes, fine, doesn't matter. Is gonna go here. Oh, let's do that. Okay, let's go to here. Okay, so now once we've done that, what we can do is in text, and the text obviously needs to be white. Now the text is gonna be like this is gonna be the last part. We're almost done really. Like this is the last thing. Just 1 second. Okay, so this is gonna be called Game Over. And because we are doing it for the blue, we're gonna do Game Over. Game Over and say Game Over Blue 1. Let's use our select tool, and we're gonna put it up here. And oh my gosh, this is massive. Okay. Because this is quite a big text, it will take a bit of time to get the right positioning and that. It's fine. Okay, so we've got this, so now we've done that. Copy and paste that in, and we can put that like that. Okay, now what we can do is, so now we have that. Also, what you want to do is you want to also do switch backdrop to back for soccer up there. So when you do that, you want to just do change switch backdrop to back. Let's just quickly make this. We're going to do blue windscreen. Okay, so we're going to do switch backdrop to blue windscreen. Now what you want to do is only what you want to do is just duplicate this whole script. Actually, also what you want to do is I want to do a stop all there. So the game. Actually, no, we'll give it a bit of time. Oh no, but then it'll be stopped forever. Yeah, doesn't matter. Let's just put it there. Okay. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna duplicate this. Let's just get rid of that. Let's do red for this. Red windscreen. Windscreen. Okay, let's go back to the code. Here what we're going to do is instead of blue score, we're going to do, I don't know why that keeps coming up, red score, switch backdrop to red wind score, then stop all. So now, let's play our soccer game. So, let's just make sure everything is running. Yes, this is all running, I'm fine. Just for that. Oh my gosh, this is an epic soccer match. Wait, so what I'm just gonna do, let me just quickly just keep, you know what, let's just move that guy there. Okay. I know, it's going through here. It doesn't really matter, guys. Scratch game is a scratch game. I know you can, do something with it. But, okay. So let me just try to get 10 with this. One more. Hopefully this works. Yes. Yes, it won. It's this blue one. Also, I think, yeah, this second screen right here, I need to just quickly edit this as well. And you can see the game ends. Let's just do here red. But now we know it works for the blue. Let's just test and see if it works for the red. Hey. Okay, so I know this. Aha, I know. Because we did change the color here and I forgot this here. Let's just click this here. Make sure that's like that. Okay, now it should work. Here we go. 1 here, there we go, yeah. So let's try to get 10 with this. Now you can see the character is always going to look like the ball. And red also does it. So guys, that is how to make a full working soccer game. You can see the game stops like fast. But guys, that is it. It has been a pleasure teaching you guys how to make a soccer game. So let's just quickly save it. And before we end off this video, let me just quickly show you something quickly. Let me just quickly share this project. Let me do this. This is a 2-player game. To control. Wait, is the let me just quickly see something in here. Yep. To control the red. Use WASD. To control the blue, use up, arrow, down, arrow, up, down, left, arrow, and right arrow. Cool. And what to do here is first to 10 points win. Cool. Subscribe to my channel. It is Droovy111. Droovy111/scratch. I think that's it. Yeah. Oops. Subscribe. Cool. So now we've done that. Let's now add it to the studio. The Droovy111 YouTube group. Now guys, what you want to do is before this video ends, I wanted to show you guys my group. So guys, please go onto this group, Droovy111 YouTube group, where you can find all the games what I have made with you guys on my channel. You guys can see them. some of them may not be on my channel, that is all fine. Okay, you can see these projects, and what you can do is you can comment on it, and if you guys subscribe and if you guys do scratch, then you can, what you can do, you can put in your scratch username, which is right here, in your comments, and make sure you are subscribed. And if I have enough comments, if you guys may be chosen to be a manager. Okay, okay. This guy was a manager, but I don't think he's gonna be anymore. Wait, are you sure we want to promote this creator to a manager? Can managers kind of well, yeah, because that's my other account, by the way, guys. Yeah. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe. Also, like, when you do your comments below, I will invite you, and make sure you guys, it should be in your email somewhere. Okay. Hey guys, I will put the link in the description for my studio, and you guys can do that, and you can follow, comment, and you can also see my other projects. But guys, thank you guys so much for watching, guys. If you guys enjoy this episode, episode series on how to make a soccer game, then make sure you smash that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time for another scratch game. And before we end this off, let me just quickly play this soccer game one more time for you guys. And guys, if you do wish to remix this, then make sure you do change some stuff. And just do this. If you remix the game, make sure to change it up. Cool. So now let's play. Obviously, I'm not pro because I don't have 2 players. Because thank you guys so much for watching, guys. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe. And remember to also see my future channels. I have just released a new channel, which will be in the link in the description below. It will be also like a it will be it's a recorded channel, and I've already have a video uploaded on it. It is called How to Play Ukulele de la Loop. If you guys didn't know, I am a professional recorder player. Well, not professional, just a nice little recorder player. Okay, and you guys can see me play that. Okay, guys, and I'll also leave the link in the description of my studio Okay. Okay. Wait. WSD. Yes, fine. So the blue, just guys, remember, control the red is WSD, green is the blue, so yeah. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you smash that like and subscribe. I'll leave all my stuff in the link in the description below. And until next time, peace. And also guys, I will also leave the background in the link in the description also, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this series, smash that like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Playing the game, this is such a fun game. Well, maybe I'll make like a shooting game one day. Maybe that will be my second video. This is so fun. I hope they subscribe. Bye!